What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna continue with disassembling this engine. Well, this is in fact I'm actually gonna start disassembling this engine. So as you can see, I've already marked off all the things that I want to mark off. Like, this is just simple things that I know I'm probably gonna forget, and yeah, but I'm also gonna start off by draining the oil. It's a very dirty ass bucket. I'm just gonna start by draining the oil, and then yeah, I'm just gonna see how far I get. I mean, it's quite dark. It's not quite dark, but it's kind of sunset already. So nice. It's sunset already, so I just want to see how much I can do before it starts to get dark, because I am outside. And then I'll just see how the days go as I continuously try to work on this. Yeah. Okay, so I just got myself a series of sockets and spanners just to get certain things apart that I think is that side. And it's already getting extremely dark, so I don't know how much work I'm really gonna do here right now. Either way, let's just try to get some stuff done, you know. Got the power steering reservoir off camera. I actually think this pipe has to do, I'm not actually sure, but I think it might be something with aircon. So I decided, okay, I doubt it's aircon, because why would it be this pipe? But I decided just to film it coming off anyway. I'm just gonna get something just to cover this up before I take things out and then they get damaged. Okay, I just wrapped it in insulation tape. Insulation tape, masking tape. I mean, it's not amazing, but it'll do the job for now. There we go. Here we go, the power steering pump's out. Okay, got the power steering pump out. But that's all I'm gonna do now for tonight. You can actually see there's so much more space here. The flip. That's all I'm gonna do for tonight, because it's getting way too dark. So it's kind of inconvenient to work with this, as you can see. But yeah, the next clip will be the next day, and it's a new day. That's all. Let's say it's a new evening. And yeah, so now I'm gonna try to do a bit more work. Maybe take off the okay, I'm gonna take off the distributor, disconnect the cam, position the sensor, maybe disconnect some more lines to get some more progress. And then also, what I forgot to mention yesterday, guys, various parts of this car will be for sale, or are for sale, let's put it that way. Anything but the stuff in the engine bay, because I'm using that for my build. Maybe the aircon, I don't know, give me a good price. And then the interior, doors, bonnet, fenders, everything pretty much gonna be for sale. The interior isn't technically for sale, because I kind of want to keep that, but if you guys give me a good price, I'll sell it. But also, just know, I do have the full interior, by the way. That does look like the parts away, but the rest of it's in the boot. Oh, and the cluster I'm also keeping, by the way. And then the seats are a little bit on the side, but I can get them reupholstered. The spoiler is not for sale. No, don't even ask. But everything else is pretty much for sale. So either message me personally, or if you see it on Facebook Marketplace, you can message me there. And yeah. So the distributor is fully disconnected. I marked the wires on the harness. I did not like cutting those cables. I wish they were just terminals, but yeah, works. Here we go. He's off. I'm actually very surprised at how soft this is. Like, this doesn't feel like this can hold pressure, yet it probably does. Okay, so the looks of this is actually a lot better than the one on the other side, but probably gonna replace that too. Okay, I just disconnected the injector rail off camera. I'm just trying to move the harness out of the way, such as the fuel line. Let me just keep my face away because I don't know if this is gonna burst or not. Okay, after a long unnecessary struggle, finally got these two connectors disconnected. Now the fuel line should be able, oh, there's still one more plug. Hold on, one more plug right there. Here we go, got it unplugged, and now it is free finally. But as we can see outside, it is dark, so I am gonna stop here. Hey, so guys, it's been a few days now. It's actually the next week. So yeah, I've actually done, I think in that time obviously I would have filmed it, but yeah, I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse for what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm just gonna try to take as much of the valve train off, and then maybe even the head. Actually no, I still have to take off the exhaust, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do as much as I can right now. But stuff that you guys have already seen. If you guys haven't seen anything, I'll pick up the camera and start recording, but for now I'm just gonna put everything on a time lapse, and yeah. We got the valve train, the cams and stuff off. What the fuck is that? Anyway, yeah, we got the cams and stuff off. The only I mean, the head looks very clean compared to the other one. The only concern I've got is that little scratch over there. But I'm not seeing anything in here now. But anyway, either way. So yeah, I want to try to get some of the exhaust manifold bolts off at least, because then maybe tomorrow when I can take the head off, what. There we go. She's off, just like that. I was gonna do the head tomorrow, but I think I'm just gonna pull the head off right now because everything is already disconnected, so I might as well just quickly pull it off, and then I'm sorted, and then I'll just do everything else tomorrow that I can. So I'm gonna do it off camera though, because I mean, you guys have already seen this, but and also it's extremely flippin' dark. Okay, currently hanging on by thread just to show what pipes go where. Okay guys, head is off. I should have actually been recording that, or it's a bit too dark out anyway, but it was a flipping nightmare doing this alone in the dark. Flipping nightmare. First I got everything off. I pulled it, then this cable, the return, I think this is the fuel return line was still on. Fine, pull it off, pull it again, then I see the flipping, no, actually it wasn't this, it was, yeah, some of these vacuum lines were still plugged in. Fine, pull it off, try to start pulling again, nope, flipping PCV was still on, and then finally I got it off. My back is killing me, but yeah, I'm actually glad I'm not using this block, because that's not good. I mean, I think the corrosion is a little bit less from what I can see, but that is not good at all. Okay, so far I've done a lot of camera, such as take off the aircon pump. I've already loosened all the gearbox bolts. That mounting and that mounting has been loosened. So yeah, now's the moment of effort that I did not feel like today, but let's just do it anyway. Okay guys, it is dark as hell. I'm out for the count. I got the engine out finally after much struggle. What the flip is that? Oh, I think that's, never mind. Yeah, I got the engine out after much struggle. I actually kind of forgot about the clutch and flywheel. Then I'm going to struggle with that. But either way, not that I'm going to struggle with that, that it's a lot heavier with it. But either way, the engine's out. I'm going to start assembling it tomorrow. So I'm out for the count right now. So yeah. Right guys, I'm sorry that I didn't get this on film, but I just carried this block from outside here in the wheelbarrow. Or I took it out the wheelbarrow and I carried it all along here past my car. And yeah, all by myself. I mean, an engine block is not that light, but this one is the flywheel, the crank, and everything all still on. So it was a lot heavier, but trim. Anyway, I managed to crack the pulley loose, surprisingly. But anyway, what I did was I just used one of the extended bolts that I bought for the engine stand, and I just wedged the bolt in there, and now it is loose. As we can see here, let me just get this thing tilted properly, and then just like that. It actually seems quite thick still. I don't think I need to replace this. I mean, I wanted to, but if I don't need to, might as well just leave it, right? And the flywheel I definitely still want to get lightened no matter what. Actually, not so heavy. Not as heavy as I was expecting it to be. But I still want to get it lightened. So, yeah, bro. I'm just gonna get the engine on the stand quickly. Right, so guys, welcome back to load shedding blues. It's load shedding right now, so I have the garage door wide open. I'm just gonna get right back into it again. And yeah, so I'm just gonna continue disassembling this once I can get that part out. Once I get the crank out, then I'm gonna decipher if this crank is better than that one over there. Okay, this is just for video reference because now I'm gonna forget. The washer goes on that way. The bend is that way, and that one's bend is also towards. Yeah. Don't know if that's not a washer. I think it counts as a washer, but yeah. Guys, you don't understand, like this video, since the last time I posted a video, since the last time I posted a video, this has been in the recording. It's because I don't have much time. Like I come home, then I either got to work on this, I get to work on this, yes, or I get to work on my mom's car or my dad's car, do like the brakes or something, or it was something on my car, or it was just weather because, I mean, I was taking this engine out in the yard and it was an hassle. So yeah, but now the engine's fine inside, now I can do this whether or not is light or not, because I mean I've got light. But either way, yeah, so I kind of just want to get this done as fast as possible so I can get the parts and everything machined, and so I'm going to get the video out for you guys, and then the next video will be after the parts, when I can assemble again, when I've got the bearings and pistons and whatnot. And yeah, there we go. That is clearly not supposed to be like that. That one is fine. That one, I'm not going to check this, but yeah, that's clearly not supposed to be like that. Also, just for video reference, because I'm gonna forget how to put these flipping caps back on again. Yeah, so pretty much that goes on the same side. Okay. Yo, these bearings are flipping fresh. The hell? Okay, I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll show you guys the rest. Yeah, so yeah, that bearing is still kind of stuck on there, which I'm gonna get off soon. But yeah, the other bearings actually look quite fine. The rest is still on the engine, but yeah. So that's it, pretty much. That's pretty much it for this engine, guys. I'm just gonna put those Conrad caps back on, and then I'm just gonna disassemble the rest of this engine. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Yeah, guys, so I don't know how long this video is, but for me this video was probably a month, maybe less. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope it was entertaining for you to watch me struggle sometimes, because I mean sometimes it was mostly dark. But either way, hope to see you guys in the next video when I reassemble everything. Maybe the next video will be something else, I don't know if I do something else in that time, but either way I'm gonna try to reassemble in that video. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.